This guy's overpowered as hell. Demands so much. Is that Angad? That is him. Lord Ram. Yep. They know that he's still... The morale's gonna skyrocket. The morale's gonna skyrocket now. Ram. And Lakshman. Man, the animation looks nice, man. The animation looks crispy. Look at this. Come on, Hanuman. This is what I've been waiting for. Come on, Ram. He's right there. And why is he... Look, it's giving him hope. I'll spare your life.
बस याद रखना कि किसने तुम्हें पूंछ दबाकर
Force you to run with your tail tucked between your...
लो, तुम्हारा आज्ञाकारी वानर तुम्हें लौटा रहा हूं.
Man, he ain't gonna go. Especially after you said that he ain't running. Standing his ground. More than I could have ever imagined. Leave the rest to me.
उसकी बात मानो, अपने प्राण बचाओ और भागो यहाँ से.
मेरी चिंता
I'm talking all that smack.
अपने बारे में सोचो.
Yeah, exactly. You're talking, man. You're going up against Ram, the final boss. Hanuman was like, "Good luck." Hanuman said, "Good luck."
तुम जानते हो मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ. सीता को लौटा दो.
Return, princess.
और रोक लो इस युद्ध को.
Exactly.
लगता है तुमने आज तक कोई असली युद्ध नहीं देखा है वनवासी. इससे बड़े तो लंका के गली नुक्कड़ के
Thousands of
रणभूमि
battlefields.
नहीं, चिड़ियाघर है ये.
सीता को मुक्त करो.
Man, he ain't going back. He ain't going back. He came this far. Do you see how far he leaped? Man, those are like thousands of them. Ain't no way. You can tell me not one of them hit him? He's here. Indrajit.
पिताजी, ये राम.
This Ram.
इसे एक साधारण मानव समझकर
You...
सच क्या है पिता?
Tell me what happened, father.
सच?
I'm going to get... He went with rocket.
अस्त्र से सन्यासी, परस्त्र से महायोद्धा है वो. मानो इंद्र का
As
वज्र,
it
विष्णु
power
का
of all
सुदर्शन, शिव का
weapons,
त्रिशूल,
Indra, Vishnu and
तीनों उसके
Shiva
बाण में बसे हो.
in his one
अपने सम्राट को
arrow.
मुंह की खाता देख लंका की धरती
As I struck the
से
get
कड़ गई. अपने अस्त्र साथ
Lakshman.
पहले मैं उसके छोटे भाई से निपटा. योद्धा बुरा नहीं था.
He broke the bow?
उसका दुर्भाग्य कि उसके सामने
He was no match.
मैं था. वो भी सूरज डूबने से पहले. उस तक जल्द पहुंचने
There was
के लिए
nothing I
मैं
could
जैसे
compare
ही
his-
पुष्पक विमान पर सवार हुआ. मैंने देखा राम मेरी ओर ही आ रहा था.
Of his own. Hanuman.
सवारी पर बराबरी के शत्रु से भिड़ने का अपना ही आनंद है। मेरी बाघ की शक्ति, उसकी बास की
He was
फूर्ति,
a swift falcon.
युद्ध भूमि राम और रावण का अखाड़ा बन गई। एक साधारण नश्वर
He broke
मनुष्य
this armor.
एक महान अमर राक्षस को हरा
You humbled the gods.
काल साक्षात मेरे सामने था।
Defenseless in front of his men as well.
तभी सूर्यास्त का शंखनाद बज गया।
Sunset.
उसने युद्ध नीति का पालन किया।
ये दुष्प्रचार लंका
They
में बाण
fly
से भी तेज
faster
उड़
than
रहा है
arrows across all
और
of
डर
Lanka.
बनकर सेना के सीने में उतर रहा है।
And also Indrajit was battling them far away as well. Not face on.
एक आहट से बौखला रहे हैं। इसे कैसे रोकेंगे आप पिताजी?
Stop this father.
उससे पूछने का क्या मतलब? तब इसका उत्तर तुम
You
खुद
have
अपने
the
साथ
answer
लिखना
prepared, don't you?
है ना?
समय हो
It's
गया है।
time. It's time for.
उन्हें नींद से जगा।
Yep. Yep.
शायद
It's about time.
सीता भले
I
ही
knew this was
लंका
gonna
और
come.
लोगों के साथ भस्म हो जाए। उसकी नींद
There's only
ब्रह्मा
one
का
who
दिया
can
एक-
awaken him.
एक वरदान है। इस वरदान को तोड़ना
Yeah, I
सिर्फ
swore
एक
never
के
to
बस की
bring him.
बात है। और मैंने प्रण लिया था कि उसे लंका
The word is
में फिर
unbreakable.
कभी नहीं बुलाऊंगा।
पर मैंने तो ऐसा कोई प्रण नहीं लिया। मैंने उन्हें बुलावा भेज दिया है और वो आ रहे हैं।
And he is coming. Who the hell is he? He looks like that guy from the 300 movie. The Persian king.
शूर्पणखा
Okay.
कौन?
She's still crying?
पहचाना नहीं, पहचानेंगे भी कैसे? इतने सालों में बहुत बदल गया हूं, पर अब मैं घर लौट रहा हूं। मेरे साथ घर चलिए बुआ।
Boy, she's still crying.
वापस आ गए? लंका जा रहे हो?
हम लंका जा रहे हैं। मेरी ओर देखिए बुआ।
तो देखो फिर, देखो क्या हाल किया है उन दोनों भाइयों ने मेरा।
My lord.
देखो,
You're still ugly.
बस अब और आंसू नहीं, मैं आ गया हूं। हमें निकलना चाहिए, इससे पहले कि आपकी पहरेदार को पता चले। समय बहुत कम है।
तो तुम हमारी दुनिया में लौट ही आया हिरावन।
To our world.
हैं, पत्ते झड़ते हैं, कुछ बचता है तो केवल मृत्यु और सड़क।
Oh, she tried to sneak him. This guy's overpowered as hell. He's using some dark arts. Got him. She's gonna rip him up.
ये पतझड़ तो बहुत छोटा निकला।
I know.
हार गए अहिरावन। तुम्हें
That's
लौट
not the real
जाना
one.
चाहिए था। अब यही तुम्हारी समाधि। हाँ? ये क्या हो रहा है?
I know, he put some curse on her, like some. That blood thing. What was that he infected her with?
स्वयं प्रभा बेचारी समझ नहीं पाई। मेरे रक्त की हर बूंद में अब बसता
Every
पाताल है।
aspect of my being.
लौटा है वो अहिरावण नहीं, काल है।
Oh my lord. He killed her.
लगा होगा ये वाला, वो भी जोर से। और कितनी दूर फेंकना है तुम्हें?
इतना कि ये घूम कर वापस आए।
हाँ?
That will come back around the world.
लगता है बुद्धि घूम गई है तुम्हारी हनुमान।
महाबली को बल की
You
चिंता
are stronger than you suspect. Jamavan,
से
put it down.
पूरी कमर को आराम दे दो।
आपके महाबली को रावण ने चारों खाने चित कर दिया था काका।
करना ही था, आखिरकार वो रावण है।
He beat you. He's Ravan.
जिस पथ पर तुमने अपना पहला कदम रखा है, रावण उस पर सैकड़ों वर्षों से चल रहा है।
Exactly.
कब हो गई? कुछ दिनों में?
Will it be
महीनों में?
soon? Days,
वर्षों में?
months, years?
उचित समय पर सब्र का फल
Be
मीठा
patient.
होता है हनुमान। अरे मीठे फल से याद आया,
Yeah, he's hungry as hell. I like how Hanuman's having his own therapy session. And that was a good seat as well.
वाह हनुमान, तुम्हारी शक्तियों को हर दिन बढ़ते देखता हूँ।
Yeah,
सदा से नहीं, एक समय था जब मेरा भाई अधर्मी नहीं,
he
धर्मनिष्ठ,
was noble, proud.
अहंकारी नहीं, स्वाभिमानी था। लोग उससे डरते नहीं, प्यार
I don't
करते थे।
disagree with that.
तीनों लोक में सबसे बलवान शायद तुम्हें छोड़।
Except perhaps you
हाँ, पर बचपन में वो महाजिद्दी और उतावला हुआ करता था। किसी और
impatient.
को जानते हो जो ऐसा था?
Yep, you Hanuman.
तुम चाहो तो मैं तुम्हारी सहायता कर सकता हूँ हनुमान, तुम्हें रावण से भी महान बनाने में।
पर ये समय एक बड़े प्रहार का है।
Strategic attack.
काम वज्र पर छोड़ दीजिए सम्राट रावण। वज्र का कवच बड़े से बड़े सूरमा भी भेद नहीं सके। इस वनवासी का धनुष और सर दोनों तोड़कर वज्र आपको
I
भेंट
bring you
करेगा।
his head.
और अगर तुम्हारा सामना करने उसने किसी और को भेज दिया तो?
वानर सो रहे हैं, चांद की
Sleeping now and he's gonna attack them.
तुम्हें कोई नहीं देखेगा। याद रहे, मुझे केवल राम की हार से मतलब
Prince alone I want defeated.
लंकेश का आदेश वज्र अवश्य पूरा करेगा।
How is this big ass gonna sneak through that camp?
आपको सच में लगता है कि ये उन दोनों को मार पाएगा?
चट्टान हथौड़े के एक वार से नहीं टूटती इंद्र।
Tested, intrigued.
हर मार से उस पर आती है दर्द,
Over and over again.
और आखिरकार वो टुकड़े टुकड़े
Also
होकर
until it
बिखरेगी।
cracks.
उन दोनों को पहले
They must be
तोड़ना
broken.
होगा।
Even he knows that it's not enough to beat Ram.
अंतिम
They are destroyed. He's just throwing out everything at them. Even he knows. Okay, so even Rava knows that Vajra is not enough to defeat Ram, right? He knows deep down that Ram is a superior fighter than him right now. I think Ravan thinks that if he sent all these, assassins to try to kill, Ram, it would mentally destroy them and it would affect their morale deeply throughout the battle to be resolved. But I think that Ravan's doing this out of desperation, if I'm going to be honest with you, especially in the last fight with him and Ram. That fight I think should have been animated, but even he knows that Ram is not someone to be trifled with. So that's why he's sending these assassins out now to try to wipe Ram off of the map. So I think that Ravan is scared. I think he's experiencing fear, and I don't think he realizes it. And I think that Indrajit is also trying to wonder, because Indrajit is like a master of war. I believe that he's literally one of the best fighters, probably the best fighter in this series right now. But Indrajit is just like, what is this guy? Why is this guy sending these assassins out? when we should be on the battlefield killing these guys and all that kind of stuff. And even, you know, Ravan was like, you defeated both of these two, right? Even Hanuman, how did you do it? And Idris was like, hey, you taught me everything you knew, but you wasn't my only master. So so yeah, that was literally a to be continued moment between those two, because I'm like, wait, what? Like Ravan doesn't even know about this? But yeah, Idris has so much stuff hiding underneath his sleeve. Like, he is a question mark in this anime right now, and we got to see him in the end of season 1 and season 2, and he's still a question mark. But yeah, Idris is for sure one of my favorite characters. I love how they are animated, you know, these episodes now, and I love how, you know, they improved the quality of the animation in this season and in this, you know, anime as well. But I really do love how we get to see a Ram and, you know, Ravan fight. Like I said, I wanted it to be animated, but, you know, we didn't really get that. We got like slideshow of their battle, and Ram literally dominated. That was actually kind of surprising. And the way that Ravan was trying to escape as well, and Ram was like, nah, get your ass back here. And he was like, I'm gonna finish this guy off right now. And even Ravan spared Lakshman's life because he thinks that Lakshman isn't worth his time, nor his sword. So yeah, I think Ram also was like, you know what, I'm not gonna kill this guy because it's sunset, and also he also spared my brother's life. That was a greatest chance to kill him and to, you know, rescue Sita as well. But yeah, can't wait to watch the next episode. If you guys haven't already, like, share, subscribe if you guys are new. If you guys like the attractions that I'm doing for Hanuman, you obviously can like my other ones. So yeah, go check them out. Without the way, thank you guys for watching, and peace. Until next time.